Spike Stinger. A spike strip is a device or incident weapon used to impede or stop the movement of wheeled vehicles by puncturing their tires. Generally, the strip is composed of a collection of 35 to 75 mm long 1 plus a half to 3 in metal barbs, teeth, or spikes pointing upward. The spikes are designed to puncture and flatten tires. When a vehicle is driven over them, they may be portable, as a police weapon, or strongly secured to the ground, as those found at security checkpoint entrances in certain facilities. They also may be detachable, with new spikes fitted to the strip after use. The spikes may be hollow or solid. Hollow ones are designed to detach and become embedded in the tires, allowing air to escape at a steady rate to reduce the risk of the driver losing control and crashing. Grappler Police Bumper. Imagine the evil burglars or robbers who are fleeing with all the robbed properties. Their car will basically cruise through the road in unimaginable high speed, causing massive headache for the public as well as the police task forces. Well, not anymore. This Grappler police bumper allows the police to install one on their car and able to stop the fleeing car almost instantaneously. The whole process is basically done by locking the rear wheel with the entanglement of rope as well as the braking power of the vehicle. A controlled stop is manageable, and it is said that around 80 to 90% of the vehicles could be effectively stopped by using this innovation. How cool is that? Optima Mobile Hydraulic Road Blocker. Optima MHRB mobile road blockers are designed especially for entrance points which have a threat of vehicle attack or for the ones that have high security requirements. The main advantage of mobile hydraulic road blocker is their ability to be towed away by any vehicle from site to site very easily by helps of 2 jacks and 4 wheels. Even though the attack is from high-tonnage vehicles with high speeds, it's not possible for the vehicle to keep on moving because of the damage given to front, wheels and the bottom of the vehicle. Drive unit is hydraulic, but in case of power failure, road blocker can be lowered or raised with stored energy in the batteries by solar panel optional. Also, road blocker can be operated manually with the help of manual hand pump. Now coming is CrookHook. CrookHook is 2 independently mounted, spring-loaded hooks welded attached to the frame of a police cruiser. The CrookHook can be used right after the car stops, Trigo said. A police officer can hook onto the suspect's car before getting out of the cruiser. That prevents the suspect from waiting for the officer to take few steps and taking off. Or, in a trickier maneuver, an officer can come up behind a speeding getaway car, then brake hard and bring both cars to a stop. ArrestNet. Spider-Man-like net stops speeding cars. ArrestNet by PacSci EMC is a vehicle arresting system designed for applications like high-speed pursuits. The non-lethal vehicle system deploys in 3 seconds via remote control. When a speeding vehicle runs over, ArrestNet spikes penetrate the tires. This triggers the net to deploy and wrap around the tires and stopping a dangerous situation without the use of lethal force. Each strand of the net can hold up to 1,200 pounds of force. ArrestNet by PAXI EMC is a remote-deployed vehicle arresting system that penetrates the tires of a fast-moving vehicle and wraps them in a very strong plastic-based material around the tires. MobileSpike. MobileSpike is an amazing tactic for police pursuits, allowing you to install a dynamic spike strip onto your vehicle for use in high-speed chases. Forget the old days of laying down spike strips and lying in wait, as MobileSpike can be deployed with just the touch of a button, bringing fleeing vehicles to a quick and effective stop. We've seen this be introduced and developed in the US, making us want to bring it in-game. This will bring your police pursuits to a next level, enhancing roleplay for your officers, giving them the best experience. Thorn barriers. Spike Thorn is a unique blade barrier, a type of shield from Diablo Lord of Destruction. First and foremost an offensive shield, Spike Thorn's bonuses are more indirect compared to other offensively themed shields such as Swordback Hold or Lanceguard. Spike Thorn's most notable property is its thorns-like effect that grows with each level. That is to say, the higher level Spike Thorn's user is, the more damage attackers will take when striking the player. It could also help to distract enemy attackers, since Spike Thorn also gives players a faster hit recovery. It may provide a way to be hit, then strike back with a quicker counterattack while the enemy is reacting to the damage. SABTECH Tire Killer. SABTECH's top-rated mechanical tire killer is the perfect access control barrier to prevent the passage of unauthorized vehicles. The tire killer is also a reliable option to allow authorized vehicles to exit from a supervised area. The heavy-duty tire killer consists of heavy-duty spikes that go down to the ground when the vehicle passes over. Subsequently, the spikes rise to their default position automatically. As such, the tire killer acts like an access control barrier. Our tire killers can be installed with other access control elements, such as bollards, road blockers, or gates, to achieve an access control checkpoint with the highest level of security. MVB3X. The MVB3X modular vehicle barrier is a quick and lightweight certified modular vehicle barrier. The system is a certified ASTM, IWA14 and PAS68 standard mobile vehicle barrier. The MVB3X was tested and rated to stop a 7.5-ton truck at 30 miles per hour. The system was specially designed for urban areas. A protection of critical infrastructure and special events, law enforcement and military units worldwide. Designed to support municipal forces, police forces, event operators, military and special forces, and made for use on sandy, rocky and rough terrain, gravel and asphalt. Adequate for urban areas and high-level threat areas. PROSpike. The PROSpike is a new and innovative vehicle stop system that outperforms other vehicle arresting systems on the market thanks to its unmatched efficiency and end-user safety measures. PROSpike hardware and software allows for remote, delayed, and repetitive activation, ensuring the safety of police officers, military personnel, and/or private security agents operating. the PROSpike individually or in unison with multiple PROSpike units. The versatility of the PROSpike allows it to not only halt vehicles involved in dangerous high-speed chase events, but be used for traffic control involving border checkpoints, roadblocks, security perimeters, or in other austere environments where unauthorized vehicle entry is prohibited. RF Safe Stop. RF Safe Stop uses proven technology to generate non-lethal, high-power radio frequency pulses, temporarily confusing the vehicle's electronic systems and deactivating the engine. This is a directed radio frequency energy system, which deactivates the engine management system of land vehicles and marine vessels to bring them to a controlled stop at a safe distance. SafeStop also jams the control and command systems of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, drones, and these can be brought down or landed safely on the ground. The easy-to-operate, silent unit permits covert operations and can be fitted with a range of antennas to allow for greater stopping ranges. The systems are energy efficient and can be configured for a range of mounting methods. Healed HT-1 Raptor. The HT-1 Raptor is a totally new concept in anti-terrorist road-blocking solutions. It has been designed to guard against the highest level of vehicular threat. It can be raised and lowered to allow or prevent vehicles from passing through. The Raptor has been designed specifically for use where a shallow mount barrier is required, for example, the avoidance of underground services. Standing at a height of 985 mm, the unit is 380 mm wide x 300 mm deep and is manufactured from 15 mm profiled sheet steel. The unique design of this product gives it immense strength.